Welcome to the spoken tutorial on non-vegetarian recipes for 6-month-old babies. In this tutorial, we will learn importance of introducing non-vegetarian complementary foods to the babies and how to prepare non-vegetarian complementary foods such as egg puri, fish puri, raw banana fish porridge, chicken puri, and chicken carrot puree. Let us begin. Always remember that once the baby is 6 months old, nutrient requirement of the baby increases remarkably. She requires up to 200 calories of energy from complementary foods. Along with breastfeeding, complementary feeding should be started. Apart from these, gradually as the baby's age increases, the quantity and consistency of the food should be changed. Please note that while feeding the baby, the quantity of food should be measured using cups and spoons, as it has been explained in another tutorial of the same series. When the baby completes 6 months, initially start with 1 tablespoon twice a day, then gradually go up to 4 tablespoons twice a day, and only well-cooked, pureed form of the food should be given. Now we will see how non-vegetarian foods are important for the babies. All the non-vegetarian foods are rich in good fats, protein, and many other micronutrients. These nutrients are essential for proper growth and development of the babies and their brain development. The recommended foods to be given to the babies are cage-free poultry, eggs, meat, and all kind of fish except for shellfish which can be introduced after 1 year of age. Remember the following things in mind while introducing non-vegetarian foods. Do not give any processed meat and raw food to the baby. It should be cooked thoroughly. And most importantly, while cooking baby's food, always avoid using microwave oven. We have discussed 6-month-old baby's requirement and importance of non-vegetarian complementary foods. Now we will see how to make these non-vegetarian complementary foods. Let's begin with our first recipe, which is egg puree. To make this egg puree, we will need 1 egg and half teaspoon ghee or butter. To prepare it, take the egg and beat it thoroughly in a bowl. Then heat the ghee in a steel pot. Pour the beaten egg in this steel pot and start stirring on a low flame. Remove it from the flame in between, as continuous cooking will burn the egg puree. Keep stirring the mixture and cook it till it thickens. Turn off the flame and the egg puree is ready. Let it cool for some time and feed it to the baby. The second recipe that we will see is fish puree. For this, we require 2 pieces of any locally available fish such as black pomfret, Bombay duck, white pomfret, and squid. Take 2 pieces of the cleaned and washed fish in a steel pot. Add water till the fish gets covered. Keep this steel pot in a pressure cooker and pressure cook it until 3 to 4 whistles. Let it cool for some time, after which take the pieces of fish out on a plate. Now carefully remove all the bones. It is utmost important that before feeding the baby, bones of this fish are removed, as they can choke the baby. Now, in a mixer, puree the boiled fish and feed it to the baby. The third recipe is raw banana fish porridge. To prepare it, we need 2 tablespoons of raw banana powder, 4 small pieces of Bombay duck or any local fish. First, we will begin with the preparation of raw banana powder. Take 2 raw bananas of any variety that is locally available in your area. Peel them using a peeler. Now cut these bananas into thin slices. Dry these slices under the shade for 1 to 2 days until they become crisp. Then make a powder of these dried raw banana slices in a mixer. Sieve this powder and remove the seeds. The raw banana powder is ready for use. Next, to make a fish puri, follow the instructions as mentioned in the previous recipe. After that, take 2 tablespoons of raw banana powder in a bowl. Add 3 teaspoons of water and mix it well to avoid lump formation. Add more water if required. Now, cook this mixture on a low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. After that, add cooked fish puri in it. Keep stirring the mixture and cook for next 4 to 5 minutes on a low flame. The raw banana fish porridge is ready. Let it cool for some time and then feed it to the baby. Now we come to the fourth recipe, the chicken liver puri. To make this, we need 1 chicken liver. Procedure: start the preparation by taking washed chicken liver in a steel pot. Add water till it gets covered. Now keep this steel pot in a pressure cooker. Pressure cook it until 3 to 4 whistles. After it cools down, take it out on a plate. Make a puree of the boiled chicken liver using a mixer and feed it to the baby. Now we will see the fifth recipe, the chicken carrot porridge. We will need 4 to 5 small pieces of chicken breast or boneless chicken and 1 carrot. Start the preparation by taking washed pieces of chicken breast in a steel pot. Then add water till it gets covered. Now keep this steel pot in a pressure cooker and cook it until 3 to 4 whistles. Let it cool for some time and then take out the chicken pieces on a plate and let it cool. Next, steam the carrot for 10 minutes and let it cool. Make a puree of boiled chicken pieces and the steamed carrot together using a mixer. Coming to the nutrient content of these recipes, note that all these recipes are rich in protein, DHA and EPA, which are omega-3 fatty acids, choline, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12, zinc, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, copper, and selenium. These nutrients are easily available in non-vegetarian food sources. Therefore, they help in growth, development, and strengthening the immunity of the baby. This brings us to the end of this tutorial on non-vegetarian recipes for 6-month-old babies. Thanks for joining.